Dear students, I, Dr. Rajiv Kansal, Dean Student Welfare, welcome you all in the induction program 2020 being organized online because of the current pandemic situation throughout the globe. For building a successful career, it is essential that along with academics, everyone is involved in technical, cultural, sports, extracurricular, and social activities. It helps in overall development of personality. To achieve this goal, the Student Welfare Cell of the Institute organizes these activities throughout the academic session. At present, there are 56 student clubs which are functioning in the institute. These clubs caters to art, culture, literature, innovation, personality development, live projects, debate, technical exhibition, and yoga, meditation, and so on and so forth. Activities of these clubs are organized and managed by the students themselves under the guidance of faculty coordinators. I am happy to share that we are introducing two more clubs in this session, namely Science Club and Mathematics Club. The list of the clubs you can see here. To name a few, we have MITS 8 Club, Art Club, Dance Club, Music Club, Fitness, Personality Development, Career Counseling, Quarentia, which deals with the literary activities, Photography and Film Club, Holistic Health Club. These are some more clubs: MITS Code War, InCube MITS, Finance Club, Waste Management, TEDx Club, ISC MITS Club, Competitive Club, there are Animation Club, Digital Learning Group. I am just naming a few, as the list is very long. Creative Architects, Asimov Robotics Club, Ham Radio Society of MITS, Analytics Club, Concrete Structures, Designers Club, Terrestrial Automobile Development Club, Technical Exhibition, Hindi Club, Scrabble, Quiz, Electronics, Aerospace, Girls Empowerment, Social Media, Disaster Management, Information and Broadcast Club, Red Ribbon, Road Track, IoT, Internet of Things, and Meditation. So these are the various clubs which are functioning. You can participate in the activity of any club of your choice. You can participate in any number. It is not like that if you participate in one club, then you can't participate in another club. It's not like that. You can participate in the activities in any number of clubs. There are, as I already mentioned, that the activities of these clubs are organized and managed by the students themselves. There are certain positions of office bearers of these clubs, some student coordinators. So those who are interested to become the office bearer, they can approach the concerned faculty coordinator, and he will let you know the process to become the office bearer, and you can join the club. Now, apart from the clubs, we have student chapters of professional societies in the different departments of the institute. These chapters organizes professional activities regularly, which contributes in the development of professional acumen. These are the professional society student chapters. We have IST student chapter, IEEE student chapter, IET student chapter, IET student forum, ICI student chapter, CSI student chapter, MITS ACM student chapter, SAE India MITS chapter, and IWWA student chapter. These all chapters are, the activities of all these chapters are in technical domain, and they are handled by different departments. So depending upon your branch, your discipline, you can join the respective student chapter. However, IST student chapter, Indian Society of Technical Education student chapter, any student of any branch can become member of this IST student chapter. For further details of these student chapters, you can contact the faculty coordinators in respective department. Sports is another significant area which helps in development of team spirit and competitive spirit. Both are essential aspects for success in life. Sports activities also helps in physical stamina building and stress relaxation. Institute offers large number of sports facilities to the students and organizes competitions and tournaments on regular basis. However, at present, only online activities are organized by the sports cell. The various facilities which are available in the institute are badminton court, basketball court with floodlight, table tennis facilities, volleyball court, kabaddi, kho-kho ground, well-equipped gym. We have an open gym. And an international cricket ground and football ground, they are under development process at present. So very soon they will be completed, and hopefully when you come to the campus after this pandemic situation is over, you may be able to play the cricket and football in our newly developed grounds. The different level of sport competitions which are organized are of different levels. One is college level, which are known as intramural tournaments. We have nodal level tournament where the inter-college participants takes place in this tournament. Then we have state level tournament where the teams of different nodal centers from the state participate in those tournaments. And in the national level tournament, it is the inter-university tournament. So these are the different levels of the competitions which takes place, and you can participate in these tournaments. To become a member of college team, there is the selection process which is looked after by the sports officer. These are the achievements of our sports team in the previous year, 2019-20. I am happy to share that the MITS team comes out with flying colors in all these sports. As you can see, in the table tennis, inter-college table tennis, men's and women tournament, MITS team is winner. Similarly, in badminton, men and women tournament, again MITS is winner. In the basketball, men's tournament, MITS team is runner-up. Again, in the inter-college basketball, women tournament, MITS is winner. Similarly, in the inter-college cricket tournament, MITS team is winner. Volleyball, women tournament, again MITS is winner. And runner-up in inter-college volleyball, boys tournament and football tournament, as well as in chess tournament. In inter-college athletics tournament, the MITS students brings laurel to the institute. They won 2 gold, 4 silver and 4 bronze medals last year. Now, moving on from sports to another domain, that is NCC, National Cadet Corps, which is popularly called as NCC. It inculcates discipline in an individual, which is the first step of success ladder. Our institute has an independent company of NCC, which is known as 3MP CTI. 200 students are registered at present in NCC. For the training, the students who join the NCC, they have to go under training. So there is a provision of 2 years training. The students, the NCC cadets who complete this 2 years training, they are awarded B certificate. After further 1 year training, they are awarded C certificate. And the C certificate holders, for C certificate holders, the various seats are reserved in defense forces, paramilitary forces, and other organizations also. So this is the advantage of joining the NCC. NCC cadets, they are taught military subjects, management and leadership skills. Their training starts with drill, physical training, weapon training, first aid, hygiene and sanitation, map reading, civil defense, field craft, battlecraft and tactics, field engineering, adventure training. These are the various aspects of training of NCC cadets. The activities organized by NCC, these are the various activities: Army Attachment Camp, Associate NCC Officer Conference, Blood Donation Camp, CATC Camp, Cancer Awareness Rally, Cycle Rally, NCC Day Celebration, Save Girl Child Rally, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Rally, World Tobacco Day, Oath Ceremony. These are the various activities which were organized by the NCC cell of the institute during previous year. This is the glimpse of our NCC cadets. Now from NCC, moving on to NSS, National Service Scheme, commonly known as NSS. It is a central government sponsored program of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It was launched in the year 1969. Primary objective of NSS is developing the personality of the student through community service. It is a voluntary association of young people for campus community linkage. NSS programs are organized by the students themselves. These programs leads to a sense of involvement in the task of nation building. The broad objectives of NSS, as shown here, it enables the students to understand the community in which they work and understand themselves in relation to their community. This is very important learning. to identify the needs or the problems in the community and application of education, to find practical solution, to develop among students a sense of social and civic responsibility, to develop competence required for group living and sharing responsibilities, to gain skills in mobilizing community participation, to acquire leadership qualities and democratic attitude, to develop capacity to meet emergencies and national disasters, to practice national integration and social harmony. These are the broad objectives of NSS. The motto of NSS is "Not me, but you," which reflects the essence of democratic living and upholds the need for selfless service and appreciation of the other person's point of view and consideration of the fellow human being. That is the motto of NSS. Here, there are the glimpse of the various programs organized by the NSS unit of MITS. This, you can see here the literacy cum awareness program, which is organized in the institute since 2011 every year. These are the glimpses. Here in this literacy program, the student of the institute itself, they take classes in the evening of the children of the surrounding areas who are not able to go to school. They are from poor background. They can't afford the formal education. So for their upliftment, our students teach them in the evening. This is the photographs of some distribution of books, bag, dress, and kit to these children who come for evening classes in the institute. This is the blood donation camp organized by NSS. The blood donation camp is organized every year in association with the Red Cross Society of India. This is the culture program organized on NSS Day, which is celebrated on 24th September. Plantation, another very important activity of NSS to keep the environment pollution free. So plantation is carried out every year. Then Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Rally. This is the pics of national camps. So these are the various activities of NSS. I hope that you will utilize the various opportunities available at present and in future in the institute and march towards your goal. Wishing all of you best of luck and stay safe in this corona time. Thank you.